Now, before we get started, I think first things first, we want to be able to make sure that we have a hammer to drive the pole into the ground, and then this bolt to make sure we don't strip the top of the mounting pole where the device will screw in. And then it's always good to have some zip ties or electrical tape to secure any wires or any cables in that sense. So we'll start by first taking the mounting pole and screwing the bolt to the top of the pole. Once we get our first pole mounted to the ground, we want to take the solar panel and put it to the mounting pole. Now, I like to put this panel as close to the ground as possible to avoid the solar panel acting like a sail on a sailboat. If we have it closer to the ground, we can more secure this to avoid it making any movement with the device itself. So the next step, we'll take another one of our segmented poles, and these poles are quite nice because depending on the level of perspective you want with the camera, they're very adaptable so that we can add as many or take as few as we'd like in order to have the appropriate height for the device. Now next, we'll take our rain gauge mount and we'll slide it to the top of our mounting pole. I like to have it opposite of the solar panel to avoid the rain getting or water dripping onto this solar panel itself. And next we'll take our rain gauge and we'll just fix it to the top of the the rain gauge mount. Now next we'll take one of our zip ties that we have to secure the rain gauge mount to the rain gauge, and just tighten it down here. And next we will take our Kakaxi device and one thing that I should note here, on the device itself we have a compass at the top so that you can know what direction the camera will be facing. And because this camera is an outdoor camera, we'd like to recommend that you not install it facing east or west to avoid the direct sunlight on the lens. So you can definitely, once we install it, we'll be able to tell what direction the camera itself is facing. So at the bottom you'll see the screw, and we also have the switch for the device, as well as the plug-in for the rain gauge. And so simply we'll just take it and affix it to the top of the mounting pole here. Here. We want to confirm that it's not facing east or west so that we don't get the glare in the camera. Next, we'll take our micro USB cable. And if you look at the bottom of the solar panel, we've got some good sun here. So if you look at the bottom of the panel, you'll see a red light that indicates that the panel itself is absorbing the sunlight. So we'll want to make sure that that is the case. And so we'll take the micro USB cable and plug it in here. And I kind of like to wind the cable around the pole a little bit. You can do it a couple of times just to avoid sort of more of a messy installation. There we go. And next we want to make sure that the rain gauge is also connected. So again, it's actually quite a long cable. So sometimes, actually, if you wanted to maybe set the rain gauge up separate from the device, the cable allows for that. But in this case, we'll just have it with the device itself. And again, I think we'll give it a couple goes around the device. So once we have the device installed and all the cables are plugged in, we'll just simply switch it on at the switch located beneath the device. And when we do, we'll see a sequence of red and blue lights that's indicating that the device is going through its setup procedure, which should take about 1 to 3 minutes. And afterwards, all the lights will turn off and the device will begin working on its interval. So there you have it. This is how we set up our Kakaxi devices.